Welcome to AITrillion.com. In this video, I am going to talk about how you can work smartly with AI Box automation on your store. This is how AI Box will look on your storefront. With AI Box, you can convert your store into an AI-enabled smart store. It is a combination of loyalty rewards, reviews, AI-based product recommendation, exclusive AI app offers, which we have already discussed, and email subscription. We have created an AI box so that your customers can find everything at one place. So let's come back to the screen. From here, you can enable or disable any feature of AI Box. Next is position settings. From here, you can customize AI Box button that is visible in the front end, according to the feel and look of your website. From here you can upload an image for AI Box. Then from here, you can also change the position of AI Box on your store. Moving forward to the newsletter box settings. You can use newsletter box settings to keep in touch with your customers. Your customers can directly subscribe to the newsletter inside AI Box. From this section, you can change settings of newsletter subscription. From here you can manage your newsletter box, button text, heading, and image.